episode of Solving Your China Business Pain Points with Woodburn Accountants and Advisors. My name is Christina Kola-Colucci. I'm the head of business advisory at Woodburn Accountants and Advisors. And today we're going to be looking at the question, do you have number blindness in your China business? You can't grow without money. You need money in the bank and you need a sound financial plan for your China business. For this, you require a good chief financial officer in your headquarters who can guide you in the budgeting and controlling process. Now, if you have been doing the figures yourself up to this point in China, it's time to hand over the books to an expert and concentrate on steering that ship versus handling the administrative work of that ship. A good CFO in China could be your most important hire of all. And don't forget, you may even want to outsource the role to a team of experts, not just a bean counter, but a visionary who can interpret your figures, tell you where the business strengths and weaknesses lie, and use the data to help you plan your future course. In theory, your CFO, financial manager, outsource provider should be your right-hand person helping you to steer that ship in the right direction and pivot it anytime you feel that there is an iceberg coming your way. In general, people are afraid of numbers. And for some reason, this is a big issue in China. But if you do not know your numbers and cannot read financial management reports, how do you plan to move your business forward? It is impossible to make decisions without knowing the exact numbers for every line item. If you are not a finance expert, you should hire one. But this is not the job of a junior accountant or a cashier. When it comes to finance, you require a person with knowledge who can help you build your business. You need a visionary that understands your numbers and will support you with the right information to move forward. A finance expert will be able to identify red flags early enough to make the necessary changes and steer that ship in an alternative direction. A client of ours discovered through the numbers that money transfers were being made monthly to a brother of one of the managing directors. Now, if you don't read the numbers, how do you know any of this is happening? Now, it took them 3 years to just start reading the numbers, to then analyze and realize that this was occurring, which means that it's 3 years of money that went down the drain because they just weren't checking. Your finance expert will go through the numbers, watch for any discrepancies with the ultimate aim of protecting you and your business. Now, in the early stages of your company startup in China, I would recommend outsourcing the service. You should choose a service provider who is proactive, will maintain monthly calls with you to go over the financial management reports, which in China are produced monthly because there are certain taxes that have to be declared and paid monthly. You should be looking at your actuals against your budget. And if you don't know how to create a budget, then this is absolutely one of the activities that either your outsource provider or your in-house accountant can do on your behalf. Now, if you are hiring in-house, don't just hire a cashier or a junior accountant or a personal assistant with limited experience in finance. An average of 7 to 10 years of experience working for a foreign invested company would be ideal. Look for an individual who is comfortable collaborating directly with a Western business professional and can ultimately guide you, okay? Communication is a key element when choosing either an outsourced provider or choosing an in-house accountant. You want to make sure that these individuals are fluid in their communication channels and are transparent as well. Anyway, lo and behold, number blindness is a key pain point for many individuals in China. The only way to solve that is by hiring somebody who can help you to analyze. Well, let me backtrack to that can read, help you analyze, and ultimately make decisions in relation to your China business. If you are not getting that assistance, you need to start looking for it so that you can grow your business, scale it, systemize it, and ultimately make decisions concerning it. Now, if you feel like you're struggling in this pain point and you need help because you do have number blindness, this is one of our services. We can help people in terms of their accounting and tax functions. Reach out to us, set up a call in our diary, and we would be happy to have a conversation with you and see how we can be of service and be of assistance. If you enjoyed today's video, please press that like button. Please share it. It helps us gain a larger audience, especially those people that might be struggling with their China businesses. And if you want to learn more about what we do at Woodburn Accountants and Advisors, head on over to our website at www.woodburnglobal.com. Have a great day. Take care and goodbye.